Netflix has been server down. The Netflix open but any error show problems. Hello hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Netflix has been server down and error problem. Something with wrongs. So you have one and tableau will be your repost if you have been lost to explain on this home pages. Netflix and error and NSEZ-503 and error show problems. But any main problem the Netflix has the issues update this short video to first of all the main problems and the Netflix has the server down problem, the red line has the issues problem and server has the crashing problems. But any X to open the officially the Netflix, the user new account, the share error problem officially the team, the problem, the update reply now and problem solved. Thank for watching these videos.